Alright guys, it's Lewis from DIY Fellow channel again, coming to you with another quick video. Basically I have a Honda GX390 pressure washer that I am going to give it a little tune-up. My tires are flat, as you can tell. Both the tires are flat. I'm going to try to go ahead and change the inner tube inside. I bought a kit. Sten's engine maintenance kit for the GX390 and GX340. Basically it's air filter, brand new air filter, the oil. This is the engine oil, that's not the pump oil. And it comes with a spark plug. So I kind of started already. Let me show you what we got going on. Okay, so basically taking the tire is pretty easy. As you can tell, I took it off already. But basically what happens, obviously the tire goes into here. It is held by this and a little Allen wrench. Take off the Allen wrench, take off the tire. Alright, now the fun part begins. Basically taking the tire off the rim on one side to go ahead and take off the inner tube. Alright guys, so this is my attempt on taking this tire off. As you can tell, there, the inner tube. Valve stem is basically broken off, right? Let's just dig in here. Yeah, if it was easy, everybody would do it, right? Alright, let's get this inner tube out. Alright, inner tube is out. As you can tell, it's broken, but I need an inner tube, and it should be back on. As I say, rocking and rolling. Alright guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, one suggestion I'm going to give you is make sure you buy your inner tube before you start the project, right? So basically my tire says, if you can see that, it says 12 by 4.0 by 6, alright? The inner tube says 12 by 4/3.50 by 6. Called everywhere, they didn't have this size. So what I was able to find was a, let's see if you see that, 4.10 by 3.50 by 6. Pretty equivalent. Has the L-shaped. Let's see what happened to the actual valve stem, just kind of broke. So let's get this bad boy in here. See what happens. My other glove on. So with everything, it just needs a little bit of finesse to get it in there. Make sure it's not tangled or anything like that, or twisted, I should say. Okay. Almost there. So what I'm going to do, so this doesn't come out on me, vice grip, don't, make sure it's not tight. Be careful you don't get it tight at all, really. Just make it kind of. So it won't go back in on me, basically. Alright. Just make sure everything is static. Go ahead and stop, get some water, soap, so I can put this rim back in. Alright guys, what I'm attempting to do is put a bit of soap and water on the side of the tire, nice and lubricated. Hopefully it'll help me bring it in. Make sure this tube is okay. It's trying to go in on me again. Now you got to be careful when you put the screwdriver in here that you don't puncture the tube that you just put in there. So let's see. I know it's not going to be easy, right? Alright. I'm going to move to the floor. Got an idea. And obviously if you had a smaller vice grip it would be much better. Let's see if we can get this bad boy in here. Get in there. I think I got it. Bring it in. There we go. Just make sure you don't Get that inner tube. Get that inner tube. You got a gas. Alright. Okay, so the only suggestion I can give you is when you put it in, try to put the rim all the way close to the tire on this side, hold it, and start bringing it in. That was a pain in the butt. Alright, so that's number one. I'm going to get my Porter cable, put some air in this, and see if it works. Be back with you. Alright guys, here we go. Hopefully this works, no problem. Seems to be a little problem with my valve here. Let me just get this. Alright, so it says 33 psi is the max. That's where we're at. .33 basically. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put the tire back on, fasten it up, and go to the other side. Make sure it's in all the way. Now, it's the piece that goes back here. Tighten her up. There we go. Alright, she's all done. Let's move on to the other side now.